Welcome to Best Choice. The best Soffit dryer vent is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a home's ventilation system, but it plays a vital role in preventing moisture buildup and potential damage. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Soffit dryer vents, exploring their importance, how they work, and what you should consider when choosing the right one for your home. Number 5. Hon&Guan 4-inch stainless steel dryer vent cover. This vent cover is designed for 4-inch dryer vent hoses, with an outside diameter of 95 mm. It ensures a perfect fit for your HVAC system. This product is easy to install. Made from high-hardness 201 stainless steel, this vent cover is built to last. The bullnose shape protects against rain and corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. The stylish steel dryer exhaust vent features a fine mesh and an all-weather seal. This design effectively keeps small animals out, providing added protection for your home. This vent cover is ideal for various applications, including dryer vents, bathroom vents, kitchen fans, and air conditioning units. It's suitable for both home and industrial use. Please handle this product with care during installation, as the edges are sharp. Always wear gloves and keep it out of reach of children to ensure safety. This Hon&Guan Soffit dryer vent is made from top-quality materials. If you have any questions or need assistance, please contact us. We guarantee a response within 24 hours. What we like. This vent features a durable stainless steel construction, ensuring longevity and resistance to the elements. It also includes a protective mesh to keep pests out. If you are looking for a reliable and versatile vent for various applications, this is a great choice. What people say. They keep the weather and bugs out while not restricting exhaust flow. Another plus is that they don't have the protruding ducting tube that dryer vents do, which makes for an easier, more compact installation in these generator enclosures. What I received was a very WLL designed and great-looking air vent. All the exposed edges that one would encounter when installing were properly rolled and not the least bit sharp or dangerous. As far as being undersized, the size you are buying is not the size of the unit, but the size of the duct it is to fit in. I replaced a plastic vent in my 4-duct, and this NW vent fit perfectly. It required me to press it fairly tightly into the duct, and the little tabs grab the side of the duct just as they should. All in all, a very nice looking, easy to install and safe vent. Number 4. Vent Systems 4-foot White Soffit Vent Cover. Introducing the Vent Systems Soffit Vent Cover. This is a great solution for your ventilation needs, whether it's for your home or office. This vent cover is perfect for both intake and exhaust, indoors or outdoors. You can use it in various places, such as bathrooms, kitchens, or garages. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, it's both environmentally friendly and durable. It also includes a built-in insect screen to keep unwanted pests out. Installation is a breeze, suitable for both wall and ceiling mounting. It can be easily connected to your existing HVAC system or dryer vent. The design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The built-in fly screen mesh helps to reduce dust, keeping your space clean and fresh. What we like. This vent is made from high-quality ABS plastic, making it both durable and environmentally friendly. It also has a built-in insect screen to keep your space clean. If you are looking for an easy-to-install vent with a focus on air quality, consider this one. What people say. The vent cover is well designed and functions as expected. It is a great product that keeps the outside of my house clean. The installation was straightforward. Number 3. Wadoy 4-inch Soffit Exhaust Vent Kit. This kit is perfect for various spaces like bathrooms, kitchens, and offices. It's designed to efficiently vent air, keeping your environment fresh and clean. The vent is also compatible with inline fan systems. The built-in screen prevents unwanted elements from entering your space. This feature ensures a more comfortable living environment by blocking larger particles. It's a simple yet effective design. Made from high-quality ABS, this vent is both durable and environmentally friendly. The materials used are non-toxic and odorless, ensuring safety and peace of mind. It's built to last. The package includes 2 Soffit vents, providing you with everything you need. This allows for easy installation and ensures you have enough for your ventilation needs. It's a convenient solution. The vent is designed to blend seamlessly with your building's exterior. Its discreet design ensures it doesn't detract from the overall aesthetic. It offers a clean and unobtrusive appearance. What we like. This vent comes with a removable screen, making it easy to clean and maintain. It's made of ABS material, ensuring durability and safety. If you value ease of maintenance and a clean environment, this vent is perfect for you. What people say. The vent cover is well designed and functions as intended. It effectively prevents birds and other pests from entering the vent. The installation was straightforward and easy to complete. Number 2. Dundas Jafine SDV4WXCW4 4-inch Soffit Dryer Vent. This is the Dundas Jafine SDV4WXCW4, a 4-inch Soffit Dryer Vent. It's designed to efficiently vent your dryer, keeping your home safe and clean. The SDV4WXCW4 is easy to install. It's designed for a quick and secure fit, saving you time and effort. This vent helps to prevent lint buildup. It ensures optimal airflow, improving your dryer's performance. Made with high-quality materials, it's built to last. You can rely on it for years of dependable service. Proper venting is crucial for fire safety. This product helps to reduce the risk of fire hazards. What we like. This vent is built to last with its durable construction. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-install vent, this is a great option. What people say. All I could find at the big box and hardware stores were vent hoods for mounting on vertical walls. Found this on Amazon and it mounts in the orientation I needed, quickly and easily. Simple to install. Love the product. I used a 4.5-inch hole saw to cut my hole. It works as designed. Number 1. Stainless steel air vent with fly screen mesh. Are you looking for a way to improve your indoor air quality? This air vent is designed for indoor use. It helps to ensure proper ventilation. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it is built to last. The vent is resistant to rust and corrosion, ensuring long-term performance. This product features a built-in fly screen mesh. It effectively prevents insects and debris from entering your home. This keeps your space clean. The louver grill design enhances airflow. It also provides a sleek and modern look. This will seamlessly blend with any interior design. The vent is easy to install. It is a perfect choice for both new constructions and renovations. You can quickly upgrade your ventilation system. This vent is available in a 4-inch 100mm size. It is suitable for various applications. It is a practical and efficient solution for your ventilation needs. What we like. This vent is made of stainless steel, offering durability and a sleek look. It also includes a built-in fly screen for added protection. If you like a vent that is both stylish and functional for indoor use, this is the one for you. What people say. The vent cover is well designed and functions as expected. It is a great product that works well. The installation was straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.